In this episode, I'm going to be demonstrating how to restore the finish on your Nebulum back to its original luster. After you've been using your Nebulum for a little while, you may have begun to notice that the exterior has changed a little bit. If you look at the right of your screen, you'll notice that this Nebulum has more shades of red and maroon as opposed to this one, where it is more purple. Now, the reason for this difference is quite interesting. If you've ever seen an oily puddle or a bubble and it has that little rainbow effect, it's the same principle here. The oil from your fingers when you're handling your Nebulum is transferring to the exterior of your device. This is causing the light to reflect differently, just like in that puddle. And that leads us to the question of today's episode. How do you remove that oil layer and restore the original look of your Nebulum? There are two methods to achieve this, and fortunately, both are very easy. The first way is to simply clean it with your preferred cleaning solution. But for a faster way, take a microfiber cloth or a t-shirt. Simply breathe on your stem to add heat and moisture, then give it a good wipe with a microfiber cloth. The more thorough you are, the better your Nebulum surface restoration will be. Now, as you can see, the device that was originally more reddish in hue has been restored to that original purple tint that you got when you first received your Nebulum.